What is the best Pickleball-Paddles 2023? Here are my full reviews of the best Pickleball-Paddles 2023. So before starting this video, please like this video and subscribe to this channel for our future updates. Number 1. Jula Vision Pickleball-Paddle. Jula's Vision Paddle is our top overall pick because it's a solid mid-weight pickleball paddle that works for both intermediate and advanced players. When I found Jula paddles, that was it for me, says Lori Coyne, a certified pickleball coach in Virginia Beach, Virginia. The paddle elevates my ability to control the ball, reduces pop-ups, unforced errors, and when needed provides me with power, pace, and spin. A plastic honeycomb core reduces vibration for better control and less arm fatigue. As the paddle makes contact with the ball, the core compresses to absorb the impact. Then, as the ball leaves the surface of the paddle, the core springs back. The result is a durable paddle that maintains its shape over time and will hold up to regular use. Jula offers the Vision in two paddle face sizes, 16mm and 14mm, so you can find the best fit. Each comes with an anti-slip grip that's easy to hold, and we like the curved paddle head, which reduces drag and helps improve your swing speed. It's more expensive than other options on our list, but we think it's well worth the investment. Number 2. Paddletech Tempest Wave Pro Pickleball Paddle. With control, accuracy, and speed, Paddletech's Tempest Wave Pro Pickleball Paddle is our top pick for intermediate players. It features a textured graphite surface that dampens vibrations on contact and weight distribution that provides the accuracy needed to close the game. It also has a large sweet spot and provides a nice pop sound on contact. The cushion hand grip comes in two sizes and feels comfortable throughout the game. We like that there's a large sweet spot, so you can focus on your opponent, not your form. The paddle's design enhances accuracy, too, to help improve your aim. Overall, we recommend Paddletech's Tempest Wave Pro as a long-term paddle for dedicated players. Number 3. Pickleball-Set of 2 JoncAye Pickleball. Made of premium fiberglass, this pickleball racket set is designed with an optimal weight of 8 oz. It alleviates stress on your shoulders/wrist while still enabling your strike with enough power to prevail on the court. It's a perfect starter set for beginners and intermediates as well. JoncAye pickleball paddles are made to last. The proprietary edge guard protects the advanced pickleball paddles from ground hit. We provide 1-year warranty for our pickleball gear. They are perfect choices for schools, community centers, youth groups, IMCAs, gyms, sports clubs, and etc. The stitch cushion grip is non-slippery and sweat-wicking. The 4.25 grip provides great comfort while enabling precise grip and maneuverability. This pickleball set makes a perfect gift for pickleball lovers. Number 4. Pickleball Paddles USAPA Approved Fiberglass. The paddles are USA Pickleball approved and, with USAPA approval label for tournament play. Pickleball Paddle Set is designed with unique fiberglass and polypropylene honeycomb core technology. Provides exceptional power and control. Polypropylene honeycomb technology reduces vibration and achieves stable speed, resulting in optimal ball strike feel. The fiberglass surface provides excellent rotational performance. The pickleball racket lightweight, strong, and durable. Pickleball Set is designed to be perforated, sweat-absorbent, and cushioned. It can help users better grasp the grip and provide cushioning. The wide pickleball racket area provides more sweet spots for the perfect shot. Comes equipped with enhanced edge guard protection to help strengthen the solidity of the paddle core and help keep the surface from delaminating. Number 5. Pickleball Paddles USAPA Approved Carbon Fiber Surface. Pickleball paddles made in accordance with USAPA tournament standards with 7.8-inch paddle for sweet spot to reduce mishits. 4.92-inch handle suits most hands comfortably. 0.44 pounds optimal weight for better control with less stress on wrist and elbow. Choose USAPA approved Pickleball Set 15.94 * 7.8 * 0.43 inch. Elevate your play now. The 2023 latest pickleball paddle, featured with advanced carbon fiber surface and polypropylene honeycomb core, maximizing power and speed in every shot. Meanwhile, allow for precise placement, easy spin, and effortless maneuverability. Ultimate pickleball paddle set of 2, designed for power, precision, and control. Unleash your creativity on the court with it now. Reinforced edge guards protect the pickleball paddle surface and core against court damage. Premium resilient material and expert craftsmanship allow it to handle a maximum load of 15 kg, ensuring unwavering performance even after powerful hits. Not easy to break. Choose excellence that stands the test of time. Conquer court with our durable pickleball equipment. Come with 2 pickleball paddles, 2 outdoor balls, 2 indoor balls, 1 carry bag, great for competitive play, novice training, family leisure, school activities, and community sports in all seasons. Ultimate Pickleball Paddles suits all skill levels players, a best gift for your card.